Good morning students, and here is today's topic is Khajuraho group of monuments. You have to study today Khajuraho group of monuments in your GK class, and I am going to explain you Khajuraho group of monuments. Means it is group, many monuments are there in Khajuraho. Okay, see. The Khajuraho group of monuments are a group of Hindu and Jain temples in Chhatarpur district, Madhya Pradesh, about 175 kilometers southeast of Jhansi. They are a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The temples are famous for their Nagra style, architectural symbolism and their erotic sculptures. Now I will show you. See, this is the picture of Khajuraho group of monuments. This is one monument. There are many monuments in the Khajuraho. That's why it is called Khajuraho group of monuments. And these monuments are in UNESCO World Heritage Site also. And it is a very good place to visit, because while going there we learn about our history also. Here, see, most Khajuraho temples were built between 885 AD and 1050 AD by the Chandela dynasty. Historical records note that Khajuraho temple site had 85 temples by the 12th century, means 1200 AD, spread over 20 square kilometer. Okay, and it was spread over 20 square kilometers. Where? In Madhya Pradesh and in Chhatarpur district. See, earlier we have read about it. In Madhya Pradesh, in Chhatarpur district. And it is related to these Hindu and Jain temples. Okay, this type of buildings are there, and there is very nice stone carving, my dear. Okay, which is called Nagra style. See here. Now some questions are there. Where is Khajuraho group of monuments located? And while writing the answers, the Khajuraho, here will be the Khajuraho group of monuments are located, and here from here we will start, and what we will add here, in Madhya Pradesh. Because you all have studied that it is in Madhya Pradesh, in Chhatarpur district, it is in the UNESCO World Heritage Site, and there are many temples which is famous for their Nagra style architectural symbolism. Now, second question is, to which religion the Khajuraho group of monuments are related? And wait, one second. And again here the Khajuraho group of monuments are related to Hindu and Jain religion. Okay, Hindu and Jain religion, it is related. Now next question is, why are the Khajuraho group of monuments famous? Why it is famous? I will show you why it is famous. And again here the Khajuraho group of monuments are famous. Here we will add are famous, and then we will add for its Nagra style architectural symbolism. Means in Nagra style there are many symbolism there, and symbolism are carved in the stone very nicely. See here. These are the symbolism. These are also called erotica. Okay, so these question answers were of CW, and now this is your homework today, because you have studied this chapter. Who was the first Governor General of independent India? And in the place of who, what you will write? C. Rajagopalachari. And then you will copy from the question. Okay, and what you will copy was the first Governor General of independent India. Because after that, my dear, when India was not free, when we were under the British rule, that time there was the post of Governor General. And when India became free, we are having now President and Prime Minister. So C. Rajagopalachari was the last Governor General of independent India. This is the picture of C. Rajagopalachari. Who was the first Indian to win an individual Olympic gold medal? And this was Abhinav Bindra. In the place of who, what you will write? Abhinav Bindra. Who was the first Indian to win an individual Olympic gold medal. And in which sports? In shooting competition. In 2008 Olympic. See the picture of Abhinav Bindra. And these are the proud moments when medals comes to our country. Who was the first Indian to go into space? And the name is Rakesh Sharma. In the place of who, what you will write? You will write Rakesh Sharma. And then you will copy was the first Indian to go into space. And this is the picture of Rakesh Sharma. My dear, they have to take a lot of training while going to space, because there is no gravitational force like Earth. Whenever we throw anything from the Earth, what happens? If we are throwing, it is again coming to the Earth. So this power is called gravitational force. And air also, we are having air to breathe. But in the space, there is no air, no gravitational force. And without this, people have to survive there. And it is very difficult to survive. So they have to take a training, a very hard training, to go into space. Now, who was the first Indian to get Nobel Prize? And who got? Rabindranath. In the place of who, what you will write? Rabindranath Tagore. And then was the first Indian to get the Nobel Prize. And my dear, for what he got for the literature, because he has written a assembled poem. Whatever poem he wrote, it was devoted to the country, and he assembled it in one book. And the name of that book is Gitanjali. In this, only patriotic songs are filled. In this book, Gitanjali. And for this book, Rabindranath Tagore got the first Nobel Award. And he became the first Indian to be awarded with this award. See the picture of Rabindranath Tagore, and he is also known as Gurudev. What is his nickname? Gurudev. And he opened a school also, Santi Niketan, which is very well-known school in Kolkata. Now, thank you, dear, for watching this video, and do your work very nicely in very neat and clean handwriting. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day.